I'm making this simple wreath for the 4th of July using mesh that I found at the dollar store, but you can use a wide variety of materials, including mesh or wide ribbon. For this project, you'll need a wood or wire ring, tulle, mesh, or wide ribbon in red, white, and blue, a ruler, scissors, wire, wire cutters, and foam stars or other embellishment. I'm starting with an old embroidery hoop that's about just a hair over 8 inches across, but you can use any kind of hoop that you have. You can even make one out of wire or pipe cleaners. I found that a good length for your material is just about double, just under double. I'm going to cut mine at 15 inches. I cut 9 pieces of each color for this hoop, but that may vary depending on what you're using. Fold up the width of your material so that it's about 1 inch across, and then fold it in half, form a loop, put it on the top side of your hoop, and send the ends around and through the loop. Then pull everything snug with the knot right on top of the hoop. Continue on all the way around the hoop, making a red, white, and blue pattern. Slide each knot up against the previous one. Be sure and end on the right color so that the pattern is maintained. Adjust any knots that need tightening up and make sure that everything is evenly spaced. Now take your scissors, especially if you have something like tulle that can be a little messy, and cut any extra threads or uneven ends just to clean up the wreath. To attach my foam stars, I'm going to cut a little piece of wire with my wire cutters and thread it through one of the knots and double it up. Twist it around so that everything stays put. And then clip off the extra ends with the wire cutters. Again, I want to leave just enough length to stick into the star to hold it on. This is just one way to do it. If you have different materials or embellishments, hot glue is probably your best option, or a strong glue like E6000. I was just worried with the plastic tulle and my foam stars that hot glue or even E6000 would melt the material. So I'm going this way for wire. I might stick a little bit of super glue onto the ends of the wire to make sure those stars stay in place. When that's done, your wreath is finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.